What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tay, and today we're about to ship these skis out today. Yeah, somebody bought these on eBay for $100, and I only paid $3 for them at an estate sale. The buyer did pay shipping, and it cost $23.15 to get it shipped. So how am I going to get this to make it cost $23.15 to get it shipped? When I bought these skis, I was like, how am I going to ship them out? But I bought them anyway. I bought 3 sets for $3. This is the first set to go out, so here I am. Now I'm about to show you guys how I'm about to ship this out. At this point in time, I was like, I really didn't know. I'm literally just putting this together on the fly. I got me some bubble wrap, and we got some paper. You know, that the good old shipping paper. I think I'm just gonna bubble wrap it and then wrapping in the shipping paper, and then put the label on, because I ship in trash bags. So if I can just make the buyer feel secure, because this is hard, it's not going to break while it's getting shipped. Besides, it's going to get dropped off at 2 places, and so it won't be getting a lot of transport. It won't get a lot of transporting, but or whatever word I was supposed to use right there. So hopefully the buyer will feel secure when they see the bubble wrap on the skis, and that's what I'm really doing it for, is for the buyer. I mean, I could just slap some of this wrap on this bad boy and call it a day, but I'm not going to do that. We're going to put some bubble wrap on it and then wrap it up and then ship it to the buyer. So let's go ahead and see how we're about to exactly go about that process. So I'm literally just going to bubble wrap it with the bubble wrap, and then we're going to just wrap it. Like this video should be nice and quick. Y'all better start cutting your tape in half. Give it a nice little secure point. Gotta rock with it. Roll with the paper. Roll with the bubble wrap. Do y'all see the technique? Lost my shoe. Go Tar Heels. I hate that sound. Cannot stand that sound. You see it. Whew. Gonna take the paper. I'm just gonna measure it out first. Grab a few sheets. Okay, so it's probably 4 sheets long or so. So what I'm gonna do is set me layers where it's long enough. Now that you see I have it laid out on some construction paper and everything, just go fold it in. You want to grab the ends and just tape it. now we have it. And remember, it was what, 4 lengths long with the paper, 4 lengths long. So we get out 1, 2, we get out 4 of them. Then you just tape those together. So in essence, you'll have one big one that's 4 lengths long. Now you have one long piece of paper is what you should have. And then whatever side that you apply the tape to, you just want to flip the entire paper over. So now we take the one that we just kind of threw together with a bunch of paper and we put it in this one. And then this one you're going to actually fold and take care of and actually fold it like a gift to make it look presentable. And there you have it. Nice set of skis getting shipped. Looks like a body maybe, who knows. But yeah. And it's like it's extra secure because you have so many layers and then the bubble wrap and then like 1,000 layers of paper or whatever you decide to use, newspaper or cardboard box. If you want to make your own box, you can do that too. But I try to do it like the cheapest way possible with what I have, with the materials that I have available. And I have a bunch of tape available, I have a bunch of paper available, and a bunch of bubble wrap available. And yeah, so that's how I shipped this set of skis, and I'll probably ship all my skis like this moving forward, just because it's fairly easy, man. Not too quick, and it's very secure in here. It's very secure. Even if like the paper rips once or twice, you'll be good because you have like 17 layers of paper inside, and then the bubble wrap. Besides, like I said, it shouldn't get handled more than 3 or 4 times. It's going right down the street, kind of, sort of, like 2 states over. When I drop it off, they'll handle it and set it down, and then the UPS driver will come pick it up and take it to the place. And so it should be okay. Yeah. If you liked it, make sure that you leave a like. If you didn't, dislike it. You know, we're not biased on this channel. But most importantly, make sure that you bless somebody today, because I promise you I'm going to bless somebody tomorrow. At this point in time, your boy Tay, I'm out.